Yes, please.
Good morning, Schiphol. Transavia 63 Lima, Austin Delta 53. We are ready.
Transavia 63 Lima, the QNH 1013 with Romeo, contact 121.805. Bye bye.
QNH 1013 with Romeo and switching 121.805 by Transavia 63 Lima. Ground, hello, this is Transavia 63 Lima on gate Delta 53. We are ready for push and start.
Transavia 63 Lima, goedemorgen. Alternative pushback startup approved.
Alternative pushback startup approved, Transavia 63 Lima.
Check before start checklist.
With you.
Kilo 188, hello, taxi to Echo 22.
Echo 22, dank u wel.
Parking brake set. 156, 156, 157, flex 45.
156, 156, 157, flex 45, pitch trim. Sorry, no, windows.
Closed.
Good morning, ladies
Closed,
and
beacon.
gentlemen. Also on behalf
Ocean 3
Beacon
X-ray,
on.
contact tower, 119.230.
Check. Ground cockpit.
Ground
We are ready for startup and alternative pushback.
The alternative pushback is approved. You may release the parking brake.
230, thank you, goodbye.
Parking brake released.
Parking brake released. We start the push and clear to start 1 and 2 in sequence.
Start engine number 1.
Starting 1.
Starting 1. Check.
Kilo 188, later on, enter Alpha 13.
Alpha 13, dank u wel. Tot ziens.
And the pushback is complete. Set the brakes, please.
Alpha 17834,
Parking brake set.
1.705.
11705, 784, bye.
Transavia 6901, contact tower, 119.230.
119.230, Transavia 6901, good day.
Start engine number 1. Correction number 2.
Starting number 2.
Too good start, je may disconnect. Bedankt en een fijne ochtend nog.
Yes, disconnect. Stand by for the visuals on your right hand side. Ik wens jullie een goede vlucht, veilige vlucht en tot de volgende.
Wissel reis, dankjewel, doei doei. Breakie, breakie.
Yep.
Perfect.
Hero 5 by 5. Down and clear. Yes, I can see him at the pin.
Yeah, after start checklist.
After start checklist, NTIs,
Off.
ECAM status,
Checked.
pitch trim,
23.5%.
and a rudder trim.
Neutral.
After start checklist complete.
Check.
Ground Transavia 63 Lima, ready to taxi.
Transavia 63 Lima, taxi left Bravo, holding point Echo 6, runway 18 left, cross runway 27.
By Bravo, Echo 6, cross to holding point runway 18 left, and cross runway 27, Transavia 63 Lima.
Kilim 47
Check
Charlie,
as brief,
contact
straight
tower,
ahead, second left
119.230.
and full length.
19230.
Clear left sides.
Clear right.
Park brake release, lights are on.
Check.
Brake check.
Check.
Alpine 79 Delta Alpha, request taxi.
Alpine 79 Delta Alpha, taxi right Alpha, holding point Echo 6, runway 18 left, cross runway 27.
Right on Alpha for Echo 6 and cross 27 Alpha 79 Delta Alpha.
Giant 8158 at Alpha 10, give way to Transavia. Giant 8158 at
Clear
Alpha
right.
10, give way
Check.
to Transavia.
Oh, they're not
Transavia
responding.
63 Lima,
No.
give way to the 747 please.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're giving away to a 7 Transavia 63 Lima.
Jet 8158, ground.
Go ahead for China 8158.
Jet 8158, continue now to Echo 6, number 1.
Continue Echo 6, cross 278, November 2, China 8158. Ground, good morning, kilometer 78 is turning right on Delta.
Kilometer 78, taxi
Too bad.
Delta, left Alpha,
Now we have
Echo
to
1.
behind the 74.
Right Delta, left on Alpha for Echo 1.
They did it on purpose.
No, they weren't listening.
Transavia 63 Lima, would you be ready and able for Echo 5?
Negative.
Sorry, negative, Transavia 63 Lima.
Roger.
So you're ready for the flight control check?
Yep, I'm ready.
Here we go.
Orange 5 Kilo
Pull up.
Juliet, ground.
Orange
Pull
5 Kilo
down.
Juliet, go ahead.
5 Kilo Juliet,
Neutral.
I did not hear you call for a pushback clearance. There's nobody back,
yeah,
it's no
full
problem,
left.
but next time please call me.
Yeah,
Full right.
Orange 5 Kilo Juliet.
Neutral.
The rudder.
296, help Delta.
Full left.
Kilo 296, taxi left Alpha, Delta 3.
Full right.
Alpha Delta 3, 296.
Neutral. Well, anyway, Randy 3 Echo departure. Climb left blue. 152, 6000 blue.
Checked.
Do you prefer weather or terrain radar?
I like the weather, please.
Alright.
4.79 Delta Alpha, taxi via Alpha 13.
Ja, Alpha 3 Alpha en 79 Delta Alpha. De taxilights are open.
Ja, dat zou kunnen kloppen, maar dan kunt gewoon doorrijden.
Ja, maar goed. Alpha 79 Delta Alpha.
Kilometer 78, enter Alpha 16.
Enter via Alpha 16, kilometer 78.
Stroomleiders on.
Check.
Taxi checklist.
Transavia 63 Lima, contact tower, 119.230.
119, 230 for tower, Transavia 63 Lima. Ticket 158. Tower, hello, Transavia 63 Lima.
675 crossing 2,400 feet. So,
Yeah, taxi checklist. Flight controls.
Checked.
Check. Flap setting.
You forgot to switch 119
Config
055.
2.
Config 2. Radar and predictive wind shear.
On and on.
63 Lima, goedemorgen. In sequence, line number weight 18 left echo 6.
In sequence, line up runway 18 left and waiting. Transavia 63 Lima.
Start off. Checked.
8158, the wind.
So radar and predictive wind shear.
On and on.
Runway 18 left echo 6.
EKMMO.
Takeoff. No blue.
1 left.
Taxi check is complete.
Check.
Clear right departing traffic.
Check.
Good morning, Kilo 122. 8 miles out, 1 Good morning, Kilo 122, number
Lining up.
2.
Finals clear. Runway clear.
Check.
Lineup checklist.
And lineup checklist. Takeoff runway.
Runway 18 left. Full length.
Runway 18 left. Full length. TCAS.
TARA.
Pex 1 and 2.
Off.
Lineup check is complete.
Check.
Goedemorgen, Alpha 79 Delta Alpha in sequence, line number 8, runway
Did
1
you give the cabin call?
Yeah, I did.
Perfect.
One left, echo 6, Alpha 79 Delta Alpha.
Park brake set.
Check.
Transavia 63 Lima, 1 is left echo 6, clear for takeoff, the wind 210 degrees, 11, max 16.
Runway 18 left, clear to takeoff. Transavia 63 Lima.
Boy, ready.
Ready.
Takeoff. Manflex 45, SRS, so the thrust blue.
Check. Thrust set. .100 knots.
Checked.
P1 rotate. Positive climb.
Gear up.
Gear up.
Nav.
Check.
Autopilot 1.
Check.
Thrust climb, auto thrust.
Check.
Flaps 1.
Alpine 97 Delta Alpha, 1 is left, course 6, clear for takeoff, wind 220 degrees, 11 knots, max 16.
Clear takeoff, 1 is left, Alpine 79 Delta Alpha. Ciao. Zo, goedemorgen, Lufthansa 55, we are ready.
Lufthansa 5 Alpha, hello, line up away, runway 1 is left, echo 6, expect tow traffic to cross the runway ahead.
Lufthansa 5
Back number
Alpha,
2.
line up runway 18 by echo 6, work on. Direct 84, Giant E158. Amsterdam, good morning, Transavia 63 Lima, we're passing 2200.
Transavia 63 Lima identified, climb file level 130.
Climbing flight level 130, Transavia 63 Lima.
12000 blue.
Turn left heading 060, contact 118.405.
Left 060, 118.405, dag, Kilo 5. Power to the Alpine 79 Delta Alpha, pass 2300, climbing 60, Arnhem 5 share.
Morning, Alpine 79 Delta Alpha identified, climb
It's
to flight level
interesting to see
130.
how the highways are full of traffic.
Yeah, it's busy.
Yeah, it's really busy.
Approach, goedemorgen,
It's
KLM.
a Tuesday morning.
Goedemorgen,
Yep.
KLM 2 for Mike, descend to
Yeah,
flight
really
level
busy, isn't it?
45, ILS 1 is right, information Bravo.
Descend level 45 for the
Oh, that's Utrecht. Oh, you can see Lopik.
Yeah.
Biggest Christmas tree in the world. In the back, you see it?
Oh yeah, I
Yeah.
do. I do. What it is.
Transavia 63 Lima, contact 124.880.
124.880 by Transavia 63 Lima. Radar, hello, Transavia 63 Lima, flight level 73, climbing 130 to Beirut.
Transavia 63 Lima, climb flight level 250.
Climbing flight level 250, Transavia 63 Lima.
Flight level 250 blue.
Check.
Amsterdam Dynasty,
Yeah, what it is, the biggest tree?
Yeah, actually it's
passing RTIP
it's the radio thing.
Okay.
Sending and then do like 120 lights on it.
Alright.
So
So it looks like a tree.
that's the reason we got 2300 feet of MSA over here. It's because of
Oh, really?
yeah,
Oh, okay.
because of Lopik.
Okay. Okay.
KLM 7 at Yankee Schiphol approach, van 9.055 tot ziens.
Oh yeah.
What do you think about releasing the passengers?
Oh, yes, we can
073
do
Schiphol approach, van 9.055 bij.
119.055 Dynasty, 073, bye bye. Hello, the
Clear
Alpine
and copy?
79 Delta Alpha.
Yes, please.
Alpine 79 Delta Alpha, continue present heading and climb flight level 150.
First heading, climbing 150, Alpine 79 Delta Alpha.
So planned flight level 330 for the moment, optimum 34, recommended max 355.
Check. 330 will be fine then.
Kilo 4 for Papa, descend flight level 100, level at tip and continue with speed to 80.
Level 100.
Are you ready for some artificial sunrise?
Yeah, sure.
Here we go.
Giant 8158, climb flight level 250.
250, Giant 158.
We can do heading 095.
Okay.
Just do that already.
Left heading 290 is approved, CJ 304. Approved, CJ 304.
Engine charge on, please.
Yeah. Engine LTS is on.
Check. Maybe you can ask for heading 100. That would be fine for us.
Radar, Transavia 63 Lima, requesting heading 100, please. Heading 100 for Transavia 63 Lima is approved. Thank you, Transavia 63 Lima.
100 is.
Check.
We can do heading 110.
Yep.
Radar, Transavia 63 Lima, ready to fly, heading 110, please. 110, heading approved. Thank you.
Heading 110 blue.
Check.
Did you copy? Yes, I affirm. Transavia 63 Lima, thank you.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I might do it
Can
the last.
even direct Kukla, I think.
Yeah, alright.
And radar, Transavia 63 Lima, we are ready to fly, direct Kukla. Direct
Kukla is approved.
Direct Kukla approved, Transavia 6 Lima, thank you.
There, Kugla, here we go.
Yeah.
No beams in this case, nav. And requesting descent.
And Transavia 6 Lima, requesting descent, please.
Transavia 6 Lima, descend to flight level 230.
Descent flight level 230, Transavia 6 Lima.
Flight level 230 blue, thrust idle, descent all blue. Check.
Transavia 6 Lima, do you wish to proceed direct to Zalka to coordinate?
Ask the batteries.
Salka.
Yeah, I see. Salka.
Oh, so yeah, is ook goed hoor. Is good, I think.
Yeah.
Let me check direct
Yeah,
to.
would be nice.
I'll put it in Salka. Oh, even better.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Transavia 6 Lima, that's even better, thank you. That's please.
So confirm you is okay to proceed to Zalka?
Affirm.
Proceed to Zalka, Transavia 6 Lima.
Direct Zalka, Transavia 6 Lima.
Direct Salka.
Check.
Transavia 6 Lima, do you expect any deviation to the left?
Negative, sir.
Transavia 6 Lima, continue descent to flight level 190.
Setting flight level 190, Transavia 63 Lima.
Flight level 190 blue.
8
Check.
Papa Tango, contact Ankara 130.4, bye-bye.
Shall I say bye-bye to the passengers?
Oh yes, IFRT.
Yeah, you have RT.
Transavia 6 Lima, contact Beirut 119.3, bye-bye.
119.3, bye-bye, 763 Lima. Beirut, very good morning. Transavia 63 Lima, passing flight level 243, descending 190, Imatu Salka.
Hello, Transavia 63 Lima, radar contact identified. Descend initially 4000, catch 1013. Proceed as cleared, Zalka ILS-16.
Watch it down 4013, expect Salka ILS-16, Transavia 63 Lima.
Airjet 320, continue Damascus 121.3, Alamont.
Alright, then back.
Point, descending 4000 feet, and the QNH later on will be 1013.
Check, check.
And the ILS-16.
Check.
That's nice with the weather like this. We just go in between the...
Yeah.
Jordanian 402, no objection for any direct routing, Damascus 121.3, good day.
123, شكرا يا أخوي, bye-bye, Jordanian 402.
Well, looks like an easy jump.
Exactly. Famous last words.
One turn and yeah.
In case of go around, we have to be a little bit careful of these showers over here, of course.
Yes, sure.
So it's a trail 250. It's probably. Let me check. 250 like there. Yeah, it's bringing us into the shower. So maybe it would be better to stay south of that, but don't fly into Israel.
Yeah. Transition level.
Check, perfect. That's QNH.
Yeah. Cross-checked and passing 14,500 feet. Now.
Checked. Shall we ask 5 to the left, just to avoid this small one here?
Radar Transavia 63 Lima requesting to avoid to deviate 5 degrees to the left due to weather, please.
Approved, Transavia 63 Lima. Advise when able again to proceed direct Zalka.
Approved, and we'll let you know when we're able to proceed direct Zalka again, Transavia 63 Lima.
Vertical speed minus 1600, heading 119 on blue. Check.
Whiskey Delta, clear to
Where do I head?
Shoreline to
That's why
Delta.
we do this maneuver.
Whiskey Delta, confirm traffic inside, local traffic inside.
We are looking for traffic, bro.
About 2.5 miles ahead.
Copy, traffic inside, bro.
Whiskey Echo, traffic inside.
Affirm, traffic inside, Whiskey Echo.
Thank you.
So just flying through the hole here.
Yeah.
Transavia 63 Lima, descend 3,000 feet, unrestricted, clear LS approach, runway 16, report established localizer.
Descending 3,000 feet, unrestricted, and cleared for the LS approach, runway 16, condition 1013, and the coordinate established localizer, Transavia 63 Lima.
Check 3000 blue, cleared ILS-16.
Yeah, 10,000.
Check.
Call has been given.
Check.
Yeah, it looks good.
That's a nice one.
Yeah. A little bit of a rain.
Looks good. Direct to Zalka again.
Yeah, check.
Here we go.
Radar Transavia 6 Lima proceeding direct to Zalka, clear of weather.
Transavia 6 Lima, clear LS approach runway 16, report established localizer.
Clear ILS 16, full established, Cockpitvideo established localizer Transavia 6 Lima.
Check speed descent and F.
Check, check.
Can you switch to terrain on your side?
Sure.
Just for landing. Check. Thanks. Approach checklist.
Approach checklist, Bio Ref.
QNH 1013.
QNH 1013, seatbelts.
On.
Minimum.
Baro 430.
Runway condition.
Wet 5.
And on the brake.
Low.
Beirut, Assalamu alaikum, Saudiya 121, level 360, approaching Liver.
Saudiya 121, wa alaikum salam, Captain Radar, contact identified. Proceed Balma from present position.
Proceed Balma from present position, Saudiya 121.
Well, there it is.
Yeah, Beirut.
Yeah.
Yeah, there are some waves on the sea.
Yeah. It's a bit windy.
Yeah, yeah.
When he gives the landing clearance, will you, if you can update the wind?
Yeah, sure. I'll
The
do
performance would be nice. Thanks, man.
Yes, yes.
We're in 30 degrees of the localizer.
Yeah.
Here we go. Clash of blue, lock blue, cat 1, AP 1 plus 2.
Check.
Speed 138, magenta.
Check.
Lockstar.
Check.
Flaps 1.
Speed check. Flaps 1. And Transavia 6 Lima established on a ILS approach 16.
Transavia 6 Lima, Tower 118.9, good day.
118.9, bye bye Transavia 6 Lima.
Whiskey Delta, Tower 1.
Flaps 2.
Speed check.
Halt. Clash Lobstar.
Check.
Approach altitude 2000 set.
Check. Tower hello, Transavia 6 Lima established on the ILS approach runway 16.
Today, Transavia 6 Lima. Clear to land 16, wind 200 degrees, 12 knots.
Clear to land runway 16, Transavia 6 Lima.
Check. Clear to land. 200 with 12.
12.
Yeah. Fly slow.
Box.
Beirut Tower, Oscar Delta Bravo, Ski Delta approaching Daura Bay, 4,000 feet, ready to rejoin.
Jet descent initially 3,000.
2500.
Checked.
Check.
3,000 feet to Daura, Whiskey Delta.
Call has been given.
Checked. Nice view over the city.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Indeed.
Gear down.
Gear down.
Manual flight.
Check.
Cat 3 single.
Check.
Cat 1.
Check.
Flaps 3.
Speed check. Flaps 3.
Oscar Delta Bravo Ski Delta over Doura Bay 3000 feet.
Flaps 4.
Delta fly to VOD 1500.
Flaps full.
Fly to VOD 1500 to Ski Delta.
Landing checklist.
Landing checklist. ECAM memo.
Landing, no blue.
Landing check is complete.
Check.
$1,000.
Checked.
1000 feet stabilized.
$500.
Checked.
100 above.
Checked.
Minimum.
Continue.
Check.
Land.
Check.
$100. 50, 40, 30, 20. Retard. Retard.
Spoilers. Reverse green. Decel. Brake low. Roll out. $70 knots.
Checked. Manual braking.
Auto brake
Check.
off.
November.
Nice.
Transavia 63 Lima. And now November cross 17 and 121, bye bye.
November across runway 17 and switching 121, decimal 900 Transavia 63 Lima, bye bye.
Check. Crossing approved runway 17.
Yeah. Ground hello, Transavia 63 Lima.
Say again.
Transavia 63 Lima, runway 16 vacated on November.
After landing checklist.
After landing checklists. Radar and brake dip winch here.
Off.
And after landing check is complete.
Check. Yeah, was a bit of a bump landing.
Oh, that's fine.
Yeah, the wind. I think the wind just took a little bit off. And
Yeah.
check. Lights are off.
Check.
Met z'n tweeën is een zwaai.
They're both giving hand signal, yeah. As long as their signals are matched, it's good.
Yeah,
but,
exactly. Yeah.
It's
Park brake set. APU is online.
yeah.
We got 3 minutes. Perfect. Parking checklist.
Yep, parking checklists. Parking brake or chucks?
Parking brake set.
Engines?
Off.
Fuel pumps?
Off.
Yellow elect pump?
Off.
Parking checklist.
Check.
Ground cockpit.
Go ahead, sir.
Captain, good morning. Chocks are in position.
Good morning, chocks are in place, thank you very much.
GPU will connect it shortly.
Okay, we'll wait for that, no problem.
Qatar 2 Whiskey, request taxi.
Qatar 2 Whiskey, taxi to holding point, runway 21 via Lima Alpha Hotel.
Taxi holding point, runway 21 via Lima Alpha Hotel. Qatar 2 Whiskey.
Yeah.
Ground cockpit.
Yes, sir, go ahead.
GPU connected.
Yeah, ground power is set, thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, Verklaf.
Yes, sir. Slides disarmed.
Thanks.
Pleasure.